Today, the angels bring a message that promises to deeply touch your heart and illuminate paths you may not have even known existed. Sometimes, someone special observes, in silence, every detail of your being, every gesture, every word. This person, moved by the sincerity and intensity of feelings, begins to see the light that you carry and finally, is ready to value and recognize your true worth. This is a moment of transformation, of revelations that come to bring clarity and love into your life. For a long time, this person was in internal conflict, divided between what they felt and the fear of giving in. But now, the angels reveal that this fear is being dissipated. There is a greater force, a spiritual energy guiding this person to see who you truly are, a unique, brilliant soul, carrying a light that attracts and enchants. The angels are by your side, witnessing each step of this awakening. They know how much you have given, how patient you have been, even when everything seemed uncertain. What you might not realize is that, while you were following with an open heart, this person was in a deep process of reflection, of rediscovering what truly matters. And now, something has changed. As if finally, a veil has been lifted from their eyes, allowing them to clearly see the preciousness that has always been by their side. To this person, you are much more than you seem. Your essence, your strength, and your capacity to love unconditionally awaken in them feelings that are hard to ignore. They begin to understand that your presence is more than a simple coincidence, that you were destined to meet. This awakening brings with it a new desire to be close, to be a significant and true part of your life. And the most powerful thing at this moment is that you don't need to do absolutely anything. Your presence, your essence, and the light you emanate are enough to create this transformation. It's as if the universe is orchestrating a subtle dance, where each movement, each word, and each silence brings this person closer, making them want to be by your side. The angels ask that you trust this process. Let love flourish naturally, without haste, without demands, only with the certainty that what is true always finds its way. At this moment, this person feels a profound admiration for you, a genuine respect that goes beyond words. They begin to realize that you are someone who brings peace, who illuminates the darkest paths, and who has the incredible capacity to transform every situation into something positive. This is one of the reasons why this person wants so much to be by your side, because they feel that, with you, there is always a new possibility, a new hope. The angels ask that you continue being who you are, without changing anything, without trying to adapt to what you think the other expects. Your authenticity is what attracts this person. It is what makes them want to be ever closer. It is important that you trust in your own light and in your ability to draw to yourself all that resonates with your inner truth. The message from the angels is clear. Everything that has been built with love and patience is not lost. It does not fade. What you feel, what you emanate is powerful and deeply touches this person's heart. This is a moment of spiritual alignment, where what seemed impossible begins to take shape. The angels are guiding every step of this process, bringing gentleness and security so that this person can finally make the decision to open up, to allow themselves to live this connection in fullness. Trust. What the angels reveal is just the beginning of something much greater, something that will bring peace, joy, and a sense of belonging that you have long sought. Remember that every experience, every wait, and every moment of uncertainty were essential for this love to solidify in an authentic and profound way. Now, everything begins to unfold as it has always been planned, in a perfect and divine manner. Every new day, this person feels their heart open a little more, as if an invisible force is guiding their steps in your direction. For them, what once seemed like just a passing interest now presents itself as something much deeper and more enduring. The angels reveal that, at this very moment, they are on a journey of understanding, a path that leads to the realization of the value you truly hold in their life. There is an awakening that transforms insecurities into certainties. What once made them hesitate now dissolves, giving way to a sincere desire to build something true. This person begins to see that you are not someone who appeared by chance, but a presence that destiny has carefully positioned to bring lessons, love, and a special connection that defies time and space. The angels show that every little gesture of yours, a smile, a word, a look, has touched their heart in a way that perhaps even you cannot imagine. They feel the world around them change when you are near, as if your presence brings a harmony that once seemed unattainable. This sensation is something they cannot ignore, and no matter how much they have tried to resist, their heart now speaks louder. The process of denial and doubt has given way to an intense need to be close, to share moments and discover every nuance of your being. With each step they take towards you, this person is surprised by the depth of this feeling. The angels reveal that your connection is protected and guided by higher forces, energies that tirelessly work so that both of you are ready to live this love in its entirety. This is a call to authenticity, to the freedom of being yourselves, without masks or barriers. It is a love that does not demand perfection, but rather presence, dedication, and sincerity. This person finally understands that they do not need to be someone else to be with you because it is the truth of both of you that binds and strengthens this relationship. Each moment of uncertainty, each attempt to distance or disguise what they felt was just a necessary stage for this person to align with the purpose of this encounter. Now, with the support of the angels, they are ready to face any fears or resistance that may arise because they understand that the love they feel is a force much greater than any insecurity or doubt. This is a moment when fears begin to lose strength, giving way to the courage to love without reservations. And it is at this point that the angels ask you to maintain your faith and believe in the journey you both are undertaking. What you share is more than just a simple relationship. It is a union of souls, something that has been carefully prepared in the divine plans. This person is willing to overcome their own limits, to surpass barriers, and to open their heart in a way they have never done before. The angels ask you to embrace this moment with affection and to allow yourself to experience it with a light heart and without haste. Each move toward you, each word spoken, and each gesture reveal a love that grows day by day. What started as a spark now turns into an intense flame, an energy that illuminates paths and gives strength to move forward. This is the kind of love that is not shaken by time or difficulties. It is a love that strengthens with mutual trust and surrender. The angels ask you to honor this connection, for it is a gift, a privilege that not everyone has the chance to live. As you continue on your journey, remember that everything you emanate returns to you multiplied. Your light, your peace, and your strength are like a beacon that guides this person back to your side. The angels show that, gradually, she is leaving behind the insecurities and fears that once kept her away from you. Now, more than ever, she wants to share with you her hopes, her dreams, and her vulnerabilities. This openness is a sign that true love is blooming, ready to be lived in all its depth. Keep trusting. The journey so far has been full of challenges, but each step was essential to building a solid foundation, where sincerity and mutual respect are the cornerstones. The angels show that the time of harvest is near, that the fruits of this love will begin to appear in unexpected and beautiful ways. You are prepared to live this love with the depth it deserves, to accept what is to come with gratitude and serenity. This is just the beginning of a story that promises to be transformative, both for you and for this person. The angels want you to know that you are safe, protected, and guided, that everything you desire in your heart will be manifested at the right time, in the right measure. Keep your light shining, for it is the path that leads this person to your side, where she finally finds what she has been seeking for so long. Now that the path becomes clearer, the angels reveal that this person begins to recognize that you are not just a fleeting love, but a transformative presence in their life. They perceive that there is something special and unique about your energy, something that makes them feel at home, complete. They understand that you are not someone who is just passing by, but rather an essential part of their journey, someone who is destined to cross their path and awaken feelings they did not even imagine existed. This awakening did not happen by chance. The angels have been guiding this person, gradually removing the barriers that prevented them from seeing the beauty and depth of this connection. They went through moments of doubt and resistance, struggling against the emotions that drew them closer to you. But now, with a more open and receptive heart, they can see that you are the answer to questions they may not have even known they had. Your presence brings clarity, security, and a sense of peace that they had not experienced for a long time. The angels show that, at this moment, this person is in a process of inner healing, where old wounds are being treated and healed. They understand that to be by your side, it is necessary to leave the past behind and accept that they deserve to live a genuine and true love. Every interaction with you has been like a balm, an opportunity to dissolve old fears and renew faith in love. And now, they feel ready to take a step toward you, with a light heart and a confident soul. With the guidance of the angels, this person is freeing themselves from external expectations and surrendering to what they feel in a pure and sincere way. They recognize that by your side, they have found a safe place where they can be themselves without fears, where their imperfections are welcomed and their essence is valued. The angels ask that you continue to show patience and compassion, as this is a sensitive time where they are learning to trust again, to believe that love can be a path of healing and growth. Each step towards you is accompanied by a renewal of faith, as if a new light is illuminating the path. This person wishes to share moments, divide dreams, and build a story with you. They understand that what they feel for you is not something common, and this certainty moves them to want to create something solid and lasting. What was once seen as a passing desire now transforms into a purpose, a will to be by your side in a full and committed way. Gradually, the fears that once paralyzed them are being replaced by a deep trust in the connection you share. They see in you a partner, a soul that brings them balance and that, in a magical way, completes parts of themselves they didn't even know were empty. The angels reveal that this person feels a growing admiration, a respect that only increases with each of your gestures, with each demonstration of affection and sincerity. The angels ask that you remain open and receptive to this approach, as this is a crucial moment for the evolution of this relationship. The energies around you are aligning, conspiring for you both to experience a love based on truth, respect, and understanding together. This person is ready to embrace this opportunity, to live by your side in an authentic and honest way, without the masks that previously served as protection. Your angels know how long you have waited for this moment, how much you have wished to live a connection where you could be fully accepted and loved for who you are. And now, they say the time for harvest is near. Everything that was sown with love and patience is about to blossom magnificently, bringing you a sense of fulfillment and accomplishment. The presence of this person in your life will not just be a phase, but a journey that will bring deep meanings and unforgettable memories. And by allowing yourself to live this love, you also transform, grow, and strengthen. Your relationship is a field of mutual healing, where both can evolve and achieve a peace that transcends the limitations of the material world. The angels encourage you to surrender to this experience, knowing it is a divine gift, a blessing that few have the privilege to live. Finally, they ask you to trust in the power of love and in the healing capability that this relationship possesses. Soon you will realize that everything you went through, every pain, every tear, and every hope deposited, were part of a greater plan, something that was being prepared for you. What is to come will be a cycle of blessings, where your union will be strengthened day by day, bringing joy, peace, and a connection that transcends time and space. At this stage of the journey, the angels show that this person no longer sees the point in hiding what they feel. The love that grew silently now manifests with an intensity that can no longer be ignored. They understand that for this relationship to flourish, it is necessary to open the heart, to make clear everything that is kept in silence. And the angels guarantee that this is the right moment, the moment when both souls are ready to meet on a deeper and more true level. Each gesture, each word, and each glance exchanged between you now holds a greater significance. What was once doubt or hesitation transforms into a calm and serene certainty. She feels that by your side, there is a peace she had never experienced before, a sense of belonging that is hard to find. This person begins to plan a future where you are present, where dreams that once seemed unattainable start to become possible. The vision of a shared life, where both support and grow with each other, is now more real than ever. With an open heart, she approaches, revealing parts of herself that she may have never shared with anyone. This openness is a sign of trust, a gesture that shows how much she is willing to commit to this relationship. And it is at this point that the angels ask you to also allow yourself to be vulnerable, to be guided by love, without fear of future uncertainties. They remind that true connection only happens when both shed their masks and show their essence, without reservations. You may notice small changes, gestures that show an affection that was previously contained. She starts to share thoughts, desires, and plans, as if finally finding a safe place to deposit her most precious dreams. Each moment together becomes an opportunity to strengthen this bond, to build a story that will be etched in your souls. The angels say that this person treasures every minute by your side, feeling deep gratitude for having you in their life. The angels also reveal that this relationship has a greater purpose, something that goes beyond romance. You are placed on each other's paths to heal wounds, to elevate your souls, and to help each other achieve a higher understanding of what love is. The love you share is a source of inspiration, a drive that propels both of you to be better, to expand your consciousness, and to see life with a fresh perspective. The message from the angels is for you to continue trusting in the wisdom of the universe. Each experience, each challenge, and each moment of waiting were necessary to prepare both of your hearts. Now you are ready to live this love fully, to explore every detail of this connection that has been carefully cultivated by time and patience. What comes next is a period of mutual growth, where you will learn more about yourselves and about the transformative power of love. This person feels, with increasing strength, that your presence is a divine gift, something they wish to honor and take care of with their whole being. They are willing to do whatever it takes for this relationship to prosper, for your love to be a source of peace and fulfillment. And this is why the angels ask that you be open to this new chapter, that you receive this person with the same affection and understanding that they offer to you. By your side, they discover that love is more than words or promises. It's a silent commitment, a constant willingness to be close, to share joys and face adversities together. This understanding brings them immense peace, as they realize that they have found in you what they have been searching for a long time. What was once an endless search now concludes, as they have found in your heart the home they always sought. This is the moment when your love becomes an unbeatable force, something that cannot be undone by setbacks or distances. The angels reveal that this person is willing to build with you a relationship based on truth and respect, where both of you have the freedom to grow and be who you truly are. Your journey is just beginning, and each step you take together strengthens the bond that unites you, making it increasingly solid and enduring. Continue to walk with faith and confidence. The angels are by your side, guiding you and this person so that you can live the love you deserve, a love that brings joy, peace, and a sense of completeness. Each challenge you overcome together will be another brick in the building of a true relationship, where both of you can flourish and shine as you deserve. Now, with the support of the angels, you and this person are ready to start a new stage, a phase where love is not just a feeling but a force that transforms, heals, and liberates. What began as a silent, almost timid attraction now blossoms into a deep connection, where every gesture and every word carries the truth of what you feel for each other. The angels show that this is the moment to reap the fruits of all that has been sown. This person, who once hesitated, who kept feelings and hid desires, is now ready to live by your side in a full and authentic way. And it is at this stage that your love transcends the ordinary, becoming a sacred presence in your lives, something that illuminates and warms both moments of joy and challenge. This connection is a divine blessing, a gift that the angels have cared for to arrive at the right time. They ask that you receive this person with an open heart and full of compassion, knowing that all the paths traveled, all the trials overcome, culminated in this moment of fulfillment. This love is strong, resilient, made to overcome adversities and thrive in the most challenging circumstances. You now understand that nothing was in vain. Each waiting, each doubt, each silent hope served to prepare the ground so that both of you were ready to receive true love, the kind that is capable of transforming life definitively. This person feels a profound gratitude for having you by their side and, more than ever, is determined to honor this relationship, to nurture the bond you have built with care, dedication, and truth. The angels ask that you continue to believe in the power of love, for it is the foundation that will sustain this union. Remember that, by this person's side, you will have the chance to live a relationship that many dream of experiencing, but few have the privilege to find. This connection is unique, and each moment together will be a special chapter in a story written in the heavens. They also remind that this love is not the end of a journey, but the beginning of a new phase, where both of you can explore the potential of a life together, where dreams are shared and achievements are lived hand in hand. You are united to grow together, to learn and to strengthen each other mutually, to be the foundation for each other in all moments. To conclude, the angels want you to celebrate this love. Celebrate each smile, each hug, each moment of complicity, for they are the essence of a fulfilled life. Know that everything you have experienced until now was so that you could appreciate every detail of this journey. And with each step you take, the angels will be by your side, guiding and protecting, so that nothing can dim the brightness of this love. Now get inspired and share in the comments. I am ready to live the love that the universe has prepared for me. The angels are happy to see the blossoming of this love and hope that you receive this message with an open heart and full of hope for all that is yet to come. Trust, for the best is yet to come, and you deserve to live every moment of this story that was written especially for you. May this love be the beginning of a life full of light and happiness. And remember, in the next video, the angels have more to share, bringing new blessings and messages of love and light.